Hello everyone, welcome to the Ignited Innovators of India. For the first phase of this competition, we have to register our ideas. Hence, this phase is also called the registration phase. There are few steps involved in this process. We recommend you to do this registration process through a Windows laptop or a computer. So let's begin. Firstly, you will have a registration process details in this chat that is given to you by some BHAU official. Open the Google form link. We get redirected to the original form site. Read all these details carefully. The proposal link, this hyperlink given here, is to download the original PDF from where we have to edit and upload it back as our proposal. So we just click on this link. It goes to another browser window, and here we have it. Just hit the download button so that this entire PDF gets downloaded. Then what we will need next is the email ID, address, the team leader, and the college name. Now firstly, we will go to the link of this PDF and try how to edit it. Open the downloads folder where you have got it as downloaded. To edit this PDF, you just have to click on right click, open with, and select Microsoft Word. This feature is available for 2010 and above versions of Microsoft Office, that is Word 2010, 13, 17 and 19. For 2007 and lower versions, we will have to go for lower options. Just hit OK button and the Word will convert the PDF into .doc document. As this PDF is downloaded from the web, so it takes a little while for Word to inculcate it. Now as you can see, we have this entire PDF as a Word document available. Now it is in editable form. Firstly, we highly recommend you to read and understand every of these steps. Now I cannot explain because the video length will exceed, but reading all these steps is important. Nextly, we come directly to the project proposal. Section 1 is the team details. Here, the team leader's name is to be put. For example, now I'm putting my name, your college roll number, the year you are studying in, email address, and the contact number. Similarly, the team members that are to be put, their college roll numbers, their year of studying, their email IDs, and their contact numbers. Make sure you are putting all these details carefully because the I2I will be contacting you, will be having communication to you on based on these two important fields, that is the email ID and the contact number. Next, third column is for mentors. If you have any faculty advisor, Then the institute details. This one is an optional, but the institute details is compulsory. So you'll have to insert your institute name. Then the institute address. Last year's participation. Yes, did we or did we not participate into the I2I contest? It depends on participant to participant. Then the section 2 is define the problem statement. Firstly, the name of project. What is your problem statement? Then what is the solution? What is the X factor of project? Type the solution being processed. Now what can be the solution to it? Then what sector does this project falls into? You'll have to explain all of these. Then study of the solution to the problem statement. Then attainability of this project. That means how can you achieve this project in the time? What resources are to be used? What is the budget, your estimation budget to this project? And then the timeline to the project. You'll have to create a table or a flowchart. You can always insert components from insert tab. You can insert a table or shapes or smart art or charts to explain your timeline. Then what is the effect of this project on the society? What is the scalability of the solution? Economic stability of this project, environmental stability, intellectual property. Like, is it an intellectual property of someone? Is it to be patent or not? This kind of thing is to be entered at this particular table. Then the target user, and hence we come to the end of this project proposal. After we have edited this, we just have to save it as a PDF file because we need it as a PDF. So I just select the current folder where I have to save it. And save as type, just the drop down menu opens and select PDF. Once this is done, hit the save button. Now the Microsoft Word has saved it as a PDF file. Click on don't save. You can save the original Word document also if needed. Now here we have our edited Microsoft Edge PDF document because the default PDF reader in Windows is its Microsoft Edge. Let's proceed to the form. Now here we will have to enter our email address. Okay, the leader of the name of the team leader, that is your first name, then your middle name, then the last name. Likewise, then the college name from this drop down menu. If you don't find your college name, you just have to type it. But for Modern College of Engineering, we have it into the drop down menu. Once the college name is put, we'll just have to put, if it is not into this list, if your college is not into the list, you can put NA. But if it is, so just put Modern College of Engineering. Your college roll number, the team leader's contact number, then the college ID, that is the team leader's ID. The maximum file size allowed is 1 MB, that is 1 megabyte. Now I have my college ID. To upload the college ID, we will need a scanned PDF copy of it. Make sure its size is less than 1 MB. If not, we can always use the PDF compressor. I'll show you how. Now my college ID is 118 KBs. Just dragging it and dropping it into the selected menu. College ID.pdf. Uploading. Now your project title. The one put into your project description file, you have to upload the same project title here. Now what is project title, for example, and the project description, we will have to describe it within 500 characters, less than 500 characters. Upload an audio file for your video project description. Now what we have to do is we have to create a 6-minute audio file which will be describing your entire project. How to create this audio file? Just go to voice recorder. It is an inbuilt Windows app. Hit on enter. The voice recorder has started. We can now record our audio here. Once your recording is done, click on stop recording and the video file will be generated. The audio file will be generated. Now the file is generated. By clicking on these three dots, you can open this file into location. Now this is the file and we have to upload it at this document. Just click on the upload file button, drag this file and drop here, and the upload button. Upload your proposal project. The PDF file that we edited is to be uploaded at this location. This is the PDF file. Drag and drop. Again, the size for this is 1 megabyte. If it exceeds, you have to compress it. Hit on the upload button. And then lastly, select your team size. Let's suppose 2 people. And then click the next button. Now enter the entire detail of your team. Email ID, college roll number, this contact number, and then hit the submit button. Once you submit, your form is submitted and you have completed the registration process of I2I phase 1. Thank you.